I've always lived here, born and raised. Now, I'm raising a family of my own. They've really been my inspiration since day one. Going to work and providing for them is why I do what I do. I came to work at ASCO right out of college. I got really lucky. I started as a mechanical drafter, which I did for a few years, promoted to project coordinator. Then eventually my boss gave me an opportunity to run a small job of my own. I've worked here 13 years now. Feels like family away from family. We share our successes, we share our failures, we push and pull on each other. The work we do here can be really challenging, but having the best people around you can help ease that burden. You can look at spreadsheets and emails all day, or the spool drawings on a computer, but nothing beats seeing our team at work or standing in front of a 10,000-pound fabricated spool. It really makes that connection for all of us and drives home the enormity of what we are trying to achieve here. Knowing when things are done right and my clients are happy is the most satisfying part of my job, and that never gets old. From the first project to the 50th. The future is exciting, thinking about what we'll achieve with the ASCO and Burns & McDonnell team, expanding our workforce, upgrading our technology, building the industry of our country, and making our clients successful. I'm Ben Werzer, and I'm a prefabrication project manager for ASCO.